Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today episode I'm gonna show you this, the Dji Osmo Pocket 3, which is a camera with a gimbal. If you're new here, my name is John and here I share everything between heaven and earth. So if you like this channel and want to see more, you know what to do. So, what do you think about this camera? I like it. It's small, it's easy to use, the sound is good, the picture is good, even in the low light. This one I'm gonna use for my next traveling or another thing I'm gonna show you on this channel. So if you want to see more when I use this or another thing I'm gonna share here on my YouTube channel, please follow me and hope to see you soon again. Have a lovely day and take care. Bye.